Check this out if you are looking at gold. Within the investment world, gold is main priority. If you are searching for investing, you should know what you are doing. There are a number of things to contemplate, whether you get gold raw or simply dive into mutual funds. This short article provides specifics of buying gold being an investment. When you look at gold jewelry, you could be set for some sticker shock and decide to buy gold-plated jewelry instead. However, don't think that to purchase gold of real value you need to pay an increased price inside a fine jewelry store. You can get gold jewelry cheaper online or even in pawn shops. Should you wish to go into the gold market but don't have tons of capital, try buying scrap. It is actually possible to accomplish this over the long haul, by purchasing some gold every payday, and make up an important reserve inside a year. Stash your gold within a place which is safe to help you cash it in later. Possess a professional appraise your gold jewelry unless you recognize how much it really is worth. Although you're spending some funds in the beginning, a minimum of you're getting fair market value for the items. Locate a reputable appraiser, however, to check out. Although you may still choose to sell, do know which you aren't going to get the appraised value. If you'd love to sell scrap gold or jewels, browse around for the best price. Whilst the market quotes a price, not every company's actually pay near that price. Stores that are not centrally located just might provide you with a better price. Once you decide on buying gold, the first thing to do is check out the spot price. This data can be obtained on various websites, while they often fluctuate daily. You shouldn't pay more than 8% over the spot price. Oftentimes sellers will attempt to sell it at the higher price. Talk with a gold expert on how they begin attaching an amount to a piece of gold, so you understand how much a carat is worth. Typically, the product is just stamped. Sometimes, though, an eye test is insufficient and buyers have other ways of making that determination. Dealers having an acid test can be newcomers, as this is a really basic test. Inquire with the area BBB before selling gold things to jewelry stores, dealers or any other form of buyer. In this way, you can get sound information on the performance and reputation of these entities. If there was any complaints, you will want to see how the organization resolved the matter. If you see a lot of complaints which may have gone unresolved, consider moving forward. Research a dealer before using the services of them. To help you guarantee that you will be selling to your reputable dealer, make a call in your local Better Business Bureau. You should check out complaints and find out once they were resolved. If so, consider using someone else. The best way to get value away from gold is to see if any relatives have broken items which they no longer want. Invest in a quality jewelry scale, figure out the body weight from the jewelry they are prepared to sell and give them a great price. You will find yourself paying them over they could get coming from a pawn shop, and you will definitely create a profit. Know your investment goals before making an investment in gold. Gold could make a volatile investment, however, it can be good insurance against inflation. You will get a much better return in your investment in case you have some clear expectations and choose a smart investment adapted in your needs. In order to sell gold online, look into the prices several times before you start. Local dealers often offer better pricing. Mailing may be convenient, however, you might also be losing a considerable amount of money. Look into the buyback policy of each prospective buyer and seller. Whilst you must pay reasonably limited to a few gold clients who resell your gold, you could find other people who will not charge a premium. Look at the logistical need for sending large gold bars or coin collections to far-flung dealers. To guard your interests, will not purchase gold, then let it rest along with your dealer. Like other kinds of investing, gold works better being a long-term investment. It shouldn't mean that you simply buy gold at one specific price. You must actually wait until prices drop to generate a smart investment. Should you buy gold during both good and bad times without timing the industry, you will definitely get a greater price overall. Great deals could be had when purchasing gold publicly. Having said that, there are risks involved once you do this. It's vital to request a coin appraisal. If you come across someone who is interested in selling a gold coin at a low cost so you are fairly certain from the coin's authenticity, you can buy it and hope that failed to produce a mistake. Bear in mind that you simply will not be receiving specifically what the gold will be worth should you sell it off. Business must generate a profit, and a gold buyer is no exception. For that reason, they must leave some difference between value of your gold as well as the amount they are likely to pay. All the different offers you may expect for your gold are between 50% and 70%. Would you know what you plan to get? Many coins are simply just plated with gold and so are not made from gold. If you would like the real deal, get the coin appraised before choosing. Regardless of what the fitness of the industry appears to be, Gold maintains its popularity. The great thing is that it makes it possible to profit if the marketplace is down or up. The popularity of gold gives great flexibility to the trading but requires investors to discover some key strategies to get the best results. Ahead of reviewing this piece, you might not have realized all that goes into buying gold. Anyone can create a well-informed and informed decision about investing in gold. Consider the advice you've learned so that you can begin working on buying gold for your personal future.
GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.